In previous industrial shifts, you could hear the decline. Factory doors chained shut, assembly lines grinding to a halt. Today, the process is digital. You reach for your phone, check a single notification, and the nature of your career changes in the time it takes to read a single paragraph. Historically, automation targeted physical labor. We expected robots in warehouses and assembly lines. But the light over San Francisco, New York, and Austin now illuminates office towers, where the most vulnerable work is actually happening behind desks and keyboards. The vacancies in these buildings often stem from a deliberate technological pivot. Technology companies eliminated over 300,000 positions in a 2-year window, while simultaneously expanding budgets for machine learning and artificial intelligence. These empty desks represent a shift in headcount from humans to software. This restructuring represents a permanent change to the career foundation for the 22 to 35-year-old educated professional class. The entry-level roles that once launched careers are disappearing from the corporate landscape. To see how quickly this moved, look at the timeline. In late 2022, OpenAI released ChatGPT. Within 5 days, it had 1 million users. 2 months later, it crossed 100 million. It reached a scale that took previous social platforms years to achieve in just a few weeks. Wall Street responded with a massive capital injection. Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and Meta shifted their corporate strategies, pouring hundreds of billions of dollars into AI hardware and data centers. Global investment in artificial intelligence passed $300 billion in a single year. This chart shows the financial math driving that investment. A mid-level analyst in a major city costs a company up to $160,000 a year when you combine salary, healthcare, and office overhead. A sophisticated AI model performing similar analytical tasks costs a few $100s a month. For executives answering to shareholders, this math dictates the strategy. By removing human overhead, a company can convert its largest operating expense directly into profit margin. This transition is the systemic outcome of a financial market that rewards absolute corporate efficiency. When software can perform a task at a fraction of the cost, the market prioritizes the software. That efficiency mandate is now playing out in the real world. Major enterprise corporations are publicly announcing mass headcount reductions while simultaneously deploying autonomous tools to handle the resulting workload. At the fintech giant Klarna, an AI system recently absorbed the workload of 700 full-time human agents. In its first month, the software handled 2/3 of all customer conversations, saving the company an estimated $40 million in a single year. Legacy firms are following a similar path. IBM recently paused hiring for roles deemed replaceable by automation, a move that targets approximately 8,000 positions across the company. This map illustrates the technology making these cuts possible: AI agents. These tools differ from standard assistants. They receive a single goal and move through subtasks, like browsing, drafting, and emailing, independently. The final output is delivered with zero human input required. Industry leadership is already forecasting the scale of this shift. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella has projected that AI agents will handle 20% of all knowledge work tasks in the near future. Corporate messaging often frames these tools as partners for the human workforce. However, the product roadmaps being built inside these boardrooms suggest a move toward direct substitution. Historically, technological revolutions create new industries that eventually absorb the workers they displace. The internet eliminated travel agents and video clerks, but created the creator economy and cloud engineering. But that transition is rarely seamless. A junior copywriter or analyst losing their job today faces a specialized market. The new roles in AI engineering and data ethics require skills that take years to develop. This visualization breaks down data from Goldman Sachs, showing that 25% of all knowledge tasks are now eligible for automation. The risk is concentrated in entry-level roles, including junior analysts, copywriters, and research assistants. This contraction is already visible in the hiring data. Between 2022 and 2024, entry-level job postings in the United States plunged 35%. Companies are increasingly opting to use productivity tools rather than hiring new graduates for those same tasks. This creates a structural problem for the future. Entry-level jobs are the training ground for professional judgment and management skills. By removing these roles, the economy is losing the pipeline required to produce the senior leadership of the next decade. The Industrial Revolution unfolded over a century. The internet reshaped work over 3 decades. Generative AI is moving at 10 times those speeds, giving the current workforce significantly less time to adjust to the new landscape. Preparation for this shift often focuses on the middle of the decade. However, the current decline in entry-level hiring suggests the transition is occurring now, affecting those entering the workforce today. The long-term impact of this missing generation of workers will likely remain invisible in current unemployment metrics. It won't appear as a spike in layoffs, but as a silent absence in hiring, a gap in the workforce that won't be felt until there are no experienced candidates to fill senior roles. Artificial intelligence is changing the structure of the American labor market in real time. We are now left to decide how much of the human workforce can be absorbed by these systems before we choose which roles we want to preserve.